Please let me know in the comments below. Do you guys want to see a drift build? Do you guys want to see this car? I mean, what more can I want for a drift car, bro? And a CHP was right behind him, bro. He's running. Oh, bro. Literally flipped over. What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. It's like the third day in a row that it's raining over here, bro. I used to like the rain, but now I'm kind of annoyed, bro. I want to drive the Z, bro. Like, I want to like go out to car meets and stuff, but when it's raining, you can't do any of that stuff, so it kind of sucks. But anyways, we're starting off the day. Whoa, buddy. We're starting off the day with a haircut. After that, we might just go look at a car, guys. A car that you guys are very familiar with that is actually for sale, and I'm actually thinking of buying it. It's raining, guys. That's a must when it's raining. This car's so much fun. Like, it's a sedan, but like it's a 370 with 4 doors, bro. Literally, that's what it is. So it's fun.
2,000 years later.
Alright, guys, it is now a couple hours from the last clip you guys just saw. As you guys can tell, it's dark outside. I ended up staying at the barbershop for a little longer than I thought I was gonna stay there, but as you guys can see, I got the fresh cut. Now we're gonna go check out the car that I might potentially buy. Like I said, it's a car that you guys have seen a lot on the channel, so I'm pretty sure you guys already guessed it, because this car was actually like in not the last video but the previous video of mine. But yeah, once we get there, I'll talk a little bit more about why I'm considering buying it and why I haven't just pulled the trigger yet, because there's a couple of other things that I want to do. So that's actually why I'm filming this video, is because I want your guys' opinion on whether or not I should buy this car, or if I should do something else with my money or something else. There's like a couple of things that I'm just like, I can't make my mind up on what to spend my money on. So little update on the Q. The screen still don't work. I was actually gonna take it to a mechanic this past Sunday, but it rained, so we weren't able to do it. I'm honestly just hoping it's a simple fix. Maybe I just missed the fuse, because I did check the fuses. Oh my god, dude, look at these potholes. Oh, dude, I'm literally off-roading right now. We got another Q50 right here that just blew through that stoplight. I seen him smashing this way. Damn, that boy is late to his appointment for sure. You guys think I'll spin off a 4-year-old in the rain? Whoa. Should we try it again? Because I kind of let go a little too early. Alright, lucky that's enough. I don't want to spin out in 30 gear, bro, because that'll be all bad. Here's the owner.
What's up, dude?
So what's up? You gonna sell me your car or what? Alright, so this is the car that I was talking about. It's actually pretty good lighting here. You said there was no lighting. Anyways, this is a car that I'm thinking about buying for a drift build. This car, low-key, is special to me, bro. I have so many memories in this car, and he's honestly giving it to me for a steal. So for those of you guys that are not familiar with this car, this is a 2003 Nissan 350Z DE. It is currently pretty much full bolt-ons E85. Oh, he took off the wing already, bro. Oh, you can't even open this door. He took off this wing already. It looks so weird. It has an agency power exhaust already. Test pipes, intake, ported manifold spacer, E85. Honestly, it has some pretty good mods on it. The only thing with this car is that it has like 200,000 miles.
Yeah.
And the 3rd or 5th gear doesn't work, which is not a big deal. You could just swap the trans. But I don't know, guys. I feel like this could be a really good addition to the channel. My first drift car. I mean, you guys know I know how to do donuts, but honestly I don't really know how to drift like that. So I feel like it'll be a good car to learn how to drift in. Just weld the diff. You think I could pretty much drift with just 2nd gear, huh? Yeah, I don't really need like 3rd. I mean, I could use 3rd, but I don't think I need it. I feel like just welding this diff and getting a hydro, it'll be perfect to take it to the track and learn. So some of you guys might be thinking, why haven't you just bought it? So with the money that I'm planning to use to buy this car, I was actually planning to throw to this car. So my plans were actually to get rid of these wheels, get some Workmeisters, drop it lower, wrap it, tune it, make it shoot flames, like pretty much finish the build on this car, and then still buy some welds for the Z. I was pretty much just gonna dump a lot of money into this car and the Z that's at home, but this man here decides to put his car for sale We were already gonna sell the car and 2 buyers in 1 day lagged it. So I feel like it was a sign, bro. So now he's giving it to me for a steal, guys. Legit for a steal. He really wants me to buy it so I could pretty much keep the car. He could still see it. He could still drive it, drift it. And honestly, I'm very down, but it's just like, I don't know. What do you guys think? Should I buy this? Or should I mod this car and the Z at home? Because honestly, if I do buy this car is gonna stay the same for a little longer. The Z will probably stay the same, but I'll have another car. So yeah, like I said, this car is perfect. It's a little bit high mileage, but honestly, this car, the motor is still really healthy. And the only thing is the trans. That's about it. What do you think, Eric? Should I buy it?
I think you should buy it. Turn it into a drift car so we can go every Saturday.
The only thing with that though is I need to find a trailer. I need to buy a trailer. Actually, I could just rent one from U-Haul, huh?
Yeah.
So yeah, guys, I've literally been thinking about this and contemplating it for like the past week or so. I do still need to save up a little bit more and then I'll be able to buy it. So just let me know, guys, because I was literally about to pull the trigger on some welds for the Z like 2-3 days ago, and then I was gonna sell these, buy the Meisters, or just I was even thinking about throwing the nibbles on here and just buying a new front wheel for the Z, and that way both of the cars will pretty much have new wheel setups. Please let me know in the comments below, do you guys want to see a drift build? Do you guys want to see this car? Oh yeah, so another cool thing about this car is that it shoots massive flames, bro. For those of you guys that are OGs on the channel, you guys already know this, but for those of you guys that don't, let me show you guys a couple videos of the fat flames this car shoots. So just imagine, guys, I'm pretty much getting a, I wouldn't say fully modded, but a pretty tasteful. What the? What's up, buddy? Hey, come here. As I was saying, I'm pretty much getting a tastefully modified 350Z for the low. I feel like this is an opportunity that I cannot say no to. So please, guys, just drop a comment down below. What do you guys think I should do? Help me out. Enough talking about me. If you sell this car to me or sell this car in general, what are you gonna get?
Oh, I can't say that, buddy.
It's a secret. It's a secret. Can I know at least? Or I can't know either?
You can't know.
Oh, damn.
Secret.
Well, he's getting a Supra. Enough of me talking. Let's go ahead and start this thing up so you guys can hear how beautiful it sounds. So it has 204. I don't know if you guys can see that. 204,000 miles. This is a neutral. It has what, 3 neutrals? Neutral, and neutral. Oh no, fifth still works, huh?
Yeah, it still works.
Oh, so it only has 2 neutrals. Regular neutral. Ow! Can't forget about these 350Z doors, right? But anyways, let's go ahead and start this thing up. Sell these wheels, get some like RPF ones or like some other cheap wheels. Perfect. Wrap it. I feel like if I were to get this car, I would wrap it like a crazy color. With the Z, you guys know that I pretty much just wrap it red or like something not basic, but something not too crazy. But with this one, I feel like I would do something like crazy. I don't know, like something weird. Something to get me out of my comfort zone. Such a deep tone. Alright, well, just like any other car buying experience, let me take it for a test drive.
Go ahead.
Alright, let's go. Alright, let's test drive a car that I've driven like 1,000 times. Whoa, I'm not used to this stock clutch. I'm used to the Z's heavy ass stage 3 clutch. The wipers still work. It has super cold AC. second gear. I'm gonna go in third.
Imagine it grabs.
Imagine it grabs and really wants me to bite it. So yeah, guys, I'm not a pro drifter, but I'm pretty sure I could go around the track in second gear, right?
Yeah.
I don't think you really need third. I don't know, like I said, I'm not an experienced drifter. Sounds so good, bro. If it wasn't for me having a Tomei, I think this would have been my choice, the agency power. Oh, there's a Mustang coming in hot right behind us, bro. I mean, what more can I want for a drift car, bro? Literally just wall a diff, get a hydro, and I'm done. One, I mean, obviously I'll do more to it, but that's all I really need. Alright guys, so like I said, this car shoots huge flames. Let me give you guys a little sneak peek. Alright, I'm sold. I think I'm gonna buy this car, guys. So like I said, leave a comment down below. I want to hear you guys. I want to see what you guys think. Whoa! Sick ass freaking Jetta or whatever that is. He said. You gonna miss this car, bro, or no?
Yeah.
But on the right side, if I do get it,
Oh,
like I said, yeah, you'll always see it and you could drift it once it's an actual drift car. You guys, we literally just missed it. I couldn't turn on my camera, but a gray Q50 just like mine just blew a stop sign. We're like, what the heck? And then a CHP was right behind him, bro. He's running. I just don't know where he went. Oh, he's right there. He crashed. Oh, dude, he literally crashed. Oh, that car's flipped.
No way.
Bro, he literally crashed and flipped.
Bro.
In like 15 seconds. Yeah, I literally just saw that car. I hope you guys were able to see that, bro. That car literally spun out, I'm assuming. Dude, the lights were off this whole time. That car literally spun out and flipped over. A Q50 just like mine. Within a matter of seconds, bro. What the
Bro.
Alright guys, we're gonna go check out the scene. Damn, son. There's a CHP right there.
Oh.
Bro. Literally flipped over. Q50, just like mine, flipped over. I hope you guys could see that. Damn, son, that sucks. Damn. I really wonder how that happened, besides obviously like he was running, but like, did you just like try to hit a corner and he lost control?
Probably, bro. I don't know.
Damn, son. That sucks. I literally can't get over the fact that we just witnessed that. What a way to end the video, I guess. But alright guys, that's pretty much gonna conclude today's video. We're just gonna go grab a bite to eat. And like I said, let me know. Should I get the Z?